Raise your hand if your business feels like a collection of digital islands. You have got your sales team living in one spreadsheet, your inventory tracked on a whiteboard, and your accounting department using a software that hasn't even been updated since Burj Khalifa was built. You are successful, but you are exhausted. You are spending 80% of your time moving data from point A to point B instead of actually growing. Today, we are talking about the most powerful tool you have probably heard of but don't actually understand. That's ERP. I'm going to show you why you actually need one, and more importantly, why you didn't even realize it was the missing piece of your puzzle. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Now, that sounds like a dry corporate buzzword that belongs in a dusty boardroom, but let's simplify it. Imagine your business is a human body. Your sales team is the mouth. Your inventory is the stomach. Your finance is the circulatory system. Without an ERP, these parts aren't talking. The mouth is eating, but the stomach doesn't know it's coming. And the heart is pumping blood to a limb that isn't moving. An ERP is the nervous system. It's a single software ecosystem that connects every single department. When a salesperson in Colombo closes a deal, the warehouse immediately sees the stock drop and the accountant sees the invoice generated instantly. No emails, no hey, did you see this? No manual entry. You might be thinking, my spreadsheets are working fine. Are they? Let's look at the three silent killers an ERP fixes in a business. Number one, the single version of the truth. Have you ever been in a meeting where marketing says you sold 50 units but finance says you sold 55? You waste an hour arguing about whose data is right instead of solving the problem. With an ERP, there is only one number and that's it. Number two, scalability versus complexity. Doing things manually works when you have 5 employees. It breaks when you have 50. If your growth is currently causing more stress than a joy, your processes are not scaling. An ERP automates the grunt work so you can scale without hiring an army of data entry clerks. Number 3, real time intelligence. In crypto trading, you wouldn't use a chart that's 24 hours old. So, why run a business on reports that take a week to compile? An ERP gives you a dashboard of your business's health in real time. So, if it is so great, why isn't everyone using one? First, the fear of the giant. Most people think ERP means spending millions on SAP or Oracle. They think it's only for multinational giants. That's a myth. With modern cloud based solutions, ERPs are now accessible for SMEs. Second, the implementation trauma. You have probably heard horror stories about ERP implementations failing. And yes, they happen. Usually, it's because companies try to force the software to fit their old broken habits instead of using the software to build better ones. Third, you are comfortably numb. You have gotten so used to the manual way, the constant Slack messages, the Excel formulas, that you don't realize how much it's actually costing you in lost time. You don't know you need it because you have turned chaos into your normal routine. The truth is, an ERP isn't a luxury anymore, it's a survival tool. If you want to move from being a busy business owner to a strategic leader, you have to stop being the glue that holds your departments together. Let the software do that. If you have been feeling the friction of growth, it's time to stop looking at more spreadsheets and start looking at a unified system. Don't let your data live on islands. Build the bridge. If you want a free consultation on how to implement ERP, hit me up on comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.